Kitty, Kitty, where are you? I wonder where Kitty is. Huh? I hear Kitty. Let's go find her. Ah, there you are, Kitty. I miss you so much, Kitty. Huh? The other kitty's gone. It's okay, Kitty. Now it's time to eat. Here you go, Kitty. What's wrong, Kitty? Why aren't you eating? What should I do? Huh? Why does Kitty look so sad? Let's go ask Uncle John for help. Uncle John, we need your help.
Huh? What's wrong, Wendy?
Kitty's not eating because she's sad.
I know. Maybe Kitty likes some fruit.
Really, Uncle?
Yeah. My piggy really loves fruit, so that's why he's so strong. Look at him.
Uncle John, can I see if Kitty likes fruit?
Sure, try it.
Maybe Kitty likes an peach. Here you go, Kitty.
What's wrong, Wendy?
Kitty doesn't want to eat fruits.
Really? So I don't know.
Then what should I do, Uncle John?
I got an idea. You can ask Andrew for help.
Thank you, bye.
Bye. Eat more, Piggy.
Hi, Andrew.
Hi, Wendy.
What are you doing, Andrew?
I'm feeding my fish. Look.
Wow, he's eating so much. What makes him happy?
He likes to swim and do tricks. Let me show you.
Hey! Wow, your fish is so talented.
Yeah.
I got an idea. Let's take Kitty swimming.
Good idea. Let's go. Bye,
Bye, Fishy. Hi, Uncle Ken.
Hi, guys.
Okay, now let's go take Kitty swimming.
You ready to go in, Kitty? Huh?
What's wrong, Wendy?
Kitty doesn't want to go in the water.
I don't know how I can help you now.
Okay.
I think Uncle Sam can help you.
Good job, Chippy.
Hi, Uncle Sam.
Hi.
Where's your pet, Uncle Sam?
My pet Chippy is sleeping right there.
How did he get up there?
My chimpanzee loves to climb. Here, let me show you. Come on, Chippy.
Wow, Jimmy G's a good climber.
Yeah, he likes to do it every day.
Wow, maybe Kitty might like climbing too. Oh no!
What's wrong, Wendy?
Kitty's gone. We need to find Kitty.
Okay. Do you hear that?
That must be Kitty. Let's go.
All right, come on, Chippy. All right, let's go, buddy.
Oh no, Kitty's stuck up there. What should we do, Uncle Sam?
I don't know. Good idea, Chippy. Uncle K.
Huh? What's wrong, guys?
Could we borrow your fish, please?
Yeah, sure. Take it.
Thank you, Uncle K.
No problem.
Here, kitty. Here, kitty. Yeah, here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle K. Here you go.
No problem.
Bye.
I think we got your cat back. What's wrong?
Kitty's so sad and I don't know why.
What? Jimmy G says he needs a friend.
Oh really?
Yeah, Jimmy G is best friends with Piggy and Fishy.
Where could I find Kitty a friend? Huh? What's that? I got an idea. Thank you, Uncle Sam. Bye, Jimmy G. Bye, Uncle Sam.
Bye.
There you are. Here's Kitty's friend. Kitty, I'm gonna get you and your friend some food. Wow, Kitty and her friend ate all the food. Bye.